Are you tired of carrying around excess weight that's been holding you back from living your best life? Losing weight can be a difficult journey, but the rewards are immeasurable. Increased energy, better health, improved self-esteem, and more. In this video, we're going to discuss how to break the chains of excess weight and take the first step towards transforming your weight loss journey. It's no secret that carrying around excess weight can take a toll on your physical and mental health. From joint pain to sleep apnea to depression, the effects of obesity can be far-reaching and devastating. But the good news is that it's never too late to start working towards a healthier, happier you. In this video, we'll be sharing tips and strategies to help you overcome common challenges on your weight loss journey, such as dealing with cravings, staying motivated, and making healthy choices. We'll also be discussing the importance of setting realistic goals, creating a support system, and making sustainable lifestyle changes that will help you not only lose weight but keep it off for the long haul. So if you're ready to break free from the chains of excess weight and take control of your health and wellness, then keep watching. What are the consequences of excess weight? Being overweight can have a significant impact on your health and well-being. Carrying excess weight can increase your risk of developing serious health conditions, such as heart disease, stroke, and diabetes. It can also cause joint pain and fatigue, making it difficult to carry out daily activities. Moreover, carrying excess weight can affect your mental health and self-esteem, leading to feelings of depression, anxiety, and social isolation. Obesity is a major public health problem, and it's important to understand the risks associated with carrying excess weight. Obesity is a chronic disease, and it can lead to a wide range of health problems that can significantly impact your quality of life. By recognizing the consequences of excess weight, you can stay motivated and committed to your weight loss journey. Taking the first step towards breaking the chains of excess weight can be daunting, but it's crucial for your health and well-being. The first step is to identify your reasons for wanting to lose weight. This could be to improve your health, increase your energy levels, or feel more confident in your own skin. Whatever your reason, it's essential to have a clear understanding of why you want to lose weight. Once you've identified your reasons, it's time to set achievable goals. It's important to start small and be realistic with your goals. Trying to lose too much weight too quickly can be overwhelming and lead to burnout. Instead, focus on making small, sustainable changes to your lifestyle. Set specific, measurable goals that will help you reach your ultimate objective. By the way, if you're finding this video helpful, please smash the like button and subscribe to our channel below. It helps us reach more like-minded people, and we greatly appreciate your support. Let's get back to our video. Practical tips for weight loss. There are many different strategies you can use to help you lose weight. One of the most effective strategies is to track your food intake. This can help you identify areas where you can make healthier choices and cut back on unnecessary calories. You can also incorporate exercise into your daily routine. It's important to find a form of exercise that you enjoy, whether it's walking, swimming, or dancing. In addition to tracking your food intake and exercising, there are many other practical tips you can use to help you lose weight. These include swapping out sugary drinks for water, taking the stairs instead of the elevator, and planning healthy meals in advance. Making small, sustainable changes to your lifestyle can have a significant impact on your weight loss journey. So, how to stay motivated? Staying motivated and committed to your weight loss journey can be challenging, but it's essential for success. One of the most effective ways to stay motivated is to celebrate your successes, no matter how small they may be. Every step you take toward your goal is an accomplishment, and it's important to acknowledge your progress. You can also stay motivated by reminding yourself of your reasons for wanting to lose weight. Keep a list of your goals and motivations, and refer to it when you're feeling discouraged. Seeking support from friends, family, or a professional counselor can also be helpful. Having a support system can help you stay accountable and motivated. It's important to remember that setbacks are a normal part of any weight loss journey. Don't get discouraged if you experience a setback, it's never too late to start again. Learn from your setbacks and use them as an opportunity to recommit to your goals. Staying motivated and committed to your weight loss journey can be challenging, but the benefits to your health and well-being are well worth the effort. Don't wait any longer to start your weight loss journey. Take action today and break those chains. Remember, weight loss is not just about looking good, but it's about feeling good too. By losing excess weight, you can improve your overall health, boost your self-confidence, and increase your energy levels. It's important to keep in mind that weight loss is a journey, and it's not going to be easy. There will be setbacks and challenges along the way, but it's important to stay motivated and focused on your goals. Remember why you started and keep pushing yourself to be the best version of yourself. In conclusion, the first step to transforming your weight loss is to break the chains of excess weight. By following the tips we've discussed in this video, you can kickstart your weight loss journey and start seeing results. Don't forget to stay consistent, stay motivated, and most importantly, believe in yourself. With hard work and dedication, you can achieve your weight loss goals and live a happier, healthier life. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips.